Hey everyone! Today, I'll show how to connect all aspects of marketing and creative work in one central space with Monday Marketer. Let's take a look. This product comes with pre-built boards and workflows, allowing you to hit the ground running. But don't worry, you can customize any element to meet your specific needs. We created these boards and folders with a flow in mind, as you can see here. Let's check out how, tied together, they'll optimize your marketing and creative processes. We'll begin with this high-level marketing plan board, your strategic North Star. Here, we've set groups to represent quarters of the year and individual items to show initiatives we want to tackle. We'll use columns to track goals and budgets, add Monday work docs for brainstorming, and then connect campaigns to initiatives from a different board using the Connect Boards column, giving us the full picture without needing to switch boards. Cool, right? With our initiatives in place, it's time to start planning our campaigns, the heartbeat of the product, connected to everything. Here, we can easily keep track of channels, budget, and runtime for each campaign. Dive into those finer details of each campaign with sub-items, all without muddying up the main table. Utilizing this Gantt view, staying on top of timelines and work done has never been easier. From there, take marketing efforts even further with these pre-built workflows. Planning and executing marketing events should now be the least of your worries. Utilizing a form, remove the stress from the RSVP process by effectively capturing and automating your event's guest list. These forms can be custom tailored to your needs and shared with a link or embedded on a website. And once your events are over, use a different form to automate guest feedback here. How easy is that? Manage everything around a product launch or a major project with these boards. Here on the product launch board, we use automations to keep the ball rolling. With a simple status column change, we can generate a collateral request for our video, content, or creative teams on their own boards. How cool is that? Automations are just one of the hooks that bind the boards in this product together. You'll find that there's a constant flow of information, so things don't get lost in the shuffle. Moving on, these creative and content production boards are all very similar in nature. Requests can come in from higher boards like we just saw, or from the board's customizable forms. Each new request or form response will populate an item on the boards automatically, so you get all the info you need without needing to communicate back and forth across teams. And check this out. Teams can work directly on asset files for the requests, annotating on the assets themselves and tagging team members. Can even upload versions of files after edits, easily facilitating the asset approval process. Not bad. We all know how creative work can pile up quickly, and trying to find that one asset you used back in March for that one ad may be tough. That's where this asset library board comes into play. Once an asset is published from your creative request board, easily store it in the DAM for later use, connecting tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box to help keep everything in one place. With a powerful search bar and filter functionality, never lose track of a creative asset again. Woo! Finally, after campaigns and creatives are launched, import the specific metrics you want to track into this board. Here we have a board ready to integrate with your Facebook ads account. Just go to the integration center to connect it. With this, you can sync data like impressions and clicks every day. You can then navigate to the overview dashboard to see your performance on a macro level. If you're hungry for data, you'll find plenty of it here. Can you see now how it's all come together? We've just scratched the surface of what you can do with Monday Marketer. All of these boards, views, and automations are just a jumping off point. Use the complete product if it's right for you, but don't be afraid to experiment and customize. Monday Marketer can jumpstart your journey to optimizing marketing and creative processes, connecting all aspects of marketing work in one collaborative space. Enjoy! Click here for more on monday.com.